Let's begin with homework exercise number 11 from section 6.3. It states a new car worth $30,000 is depreciating by the value of $3,000 per year. After how many years will the car's value be $6,000? So right now, the new car is worth $30,000. Depreciating means the value is going down, so we're going to subtract. It's going down by $3,000 per year. Now, so after 1 year, it would go down by $3,000. After 2 years, it would go down by what? $3,000 times 2. We don't know how many years, so the variable is the number of years, so it's going to go down by 3,000 times x, right? Going down means we're going to subtract 3,000 times x, the number of years, and then when will the car's value be? 6,000. So there's our equation. So the value now, subtracting 3,000 times the number of years, when will it be 6,000? So equals 6,000. All right, here's our variable. We have a positive 30,000, so we're going to subtract 30,000 from both sides. This will give us 0. What remains on the left side is the negative 3,000 times x, right? Because there's a subtraction. 6,000 minus 30,000, you can do it on your calculator, is a negative 24,000. To solve for x, we divide by the coefficient, which is a negative 3,000. So the negative 3,000 divided by negative 3,000 is 1, or just x. So a negative 24,000 divided by negative 3,000, negative divided by negative is a positive 8, right? Thousands cancel. 24 divided by negative 3 is 8. So after what? X is the number of years, 8 years, the car's value will be worth $6,000. You are choosing between question number 12. You are choosing between two health clubs. Club A offers a membership of $20 plus a monthly fee of $25. B offers a membership of a fee of $15 and monthly fee of $26. After how many months will the total cost of each health club be the same? When will they be equal, right? So it's based on the number, x is the number of months, right? That's what we need to find. So we'll let our variable represent the number of months, which we'll just use x. What's the cost for A? The fee is $20. That's an upfront fee, right? So it's 20 plus a monthly fee of 25. So that means it's 25 times the number of months, right? So for the first month, it would be 20 plus 25 times 1. Second month, 20 plus 25 times 2. We don't know what the number of months is, so it's x. Okay, when will the clubs be the same, right? So that's why I'm using equal. B, same idea, right? Different numbers. The fee is 15, a one-time fee, and its monthly fee is 26 each month. So it'd be $26 times the number of months. Okay, and that's our equation. So now we got to solve for x. So we have x's on both sides. So this is just, usually we would just write 20 plus 25x equals 15 plus 26x. If you want to get rid of the x's on one side, we could subtract 25x. 25x minus 25x is 0, so what remains is 20 equals 15 plus 26x minus 25x is 1x, or just x. So actually we've got minus 15 from both sides, so we get x equals 20 minus 15 on the left side is equal to 5. So it's going to be after 5 months, right? That x was represent the number of months. So after 5 months, the cost will be the same. And what will the total cost be? You can substitute back into either side into the expression. A was what? $20 plus a monthly fee of 25, and it's going to be what? We now know it's 5 months, so times 5. So it's going to be 20 plus 25 times 5 is 125. 120 plus 125, of course, is $145. And you could have done it with Health Club B or off Club B, and you would get the same exact answer. The bus problem number 13. The bus fare in the city is $1.50. People who use the bus have the option of purchasing a monthly book for $25, and the fare is reduced to 50 cents. Not reduced by, but it costs 50 cents. Determine the number of times in a month the bus must be used so that the total monthly cost without the coupon book is the same as the monthly cost with the coupon book. Okay, so with the coupon book, what's the cost? They got to purchase the coupon book, which is $25, but they still, every time they ride it, so X would be the number of rides on the bus, right? It's 50 cents, so it's going to be 50 cents times the number of rides, which is X. So 0.50 times X. With the coupon, $25 to pay for the book, coupon book, 50 cents for each ride, so 50.50 is your decimal for 50 cents times the number of rides. Without the coupon book, it is simply $1.50 for the number of rides. So 1.50 times X is your without the coupon book, because there's nothing to pay except $1.50 every time you ride, and again, X is the number of rides. Okay, so actually here you have 25 plus 0.5x equals 1.5x. The 25 is on the left side, so you could save a step by subtracting 0.5x from both sides to make it 0. So what remains on the left side is 25. 1.5 minus 0.5, if you do the math, is just 1x. So 25 is equal to 1 times x, which is x. So we have it solved. The coefficient of x is already 1. So the bus would be used 25 times in order to break even. Homework exercise number 14. You are choosing between two plans at a discount warehouse. Plan A offers an annual membership of $90 and you pay 70%. So Plan A, you pay $90 and 70% of the list price, how much you're going to purchase, right? So X will be the amount of money you purchase, so it'll be 0.70 times X. Plan B, on the other hand, is what? Annual membership is $50, but now you pay 90% of the list price, so 90% of X, right? How many dollars of merchandise would you have to purchase in a year to meet the same amount for both plans? So when will Plan A be Plan B? And again, X is really the amount of money you spend, right? That's what we're trying to find, the variable. So Plan A, 90 plus 70% of what you spent, of what the list price is, and then 50 plus 90% of X, the manufacturer's list price, or the X is the amount you spend, okay? So again, solving for X, we could go ahead and subtract 0.70X from both sides to cancel here. What remains on the left side is 90. 50 plus 0.9 minus 0.7 is 0.20x. Subtract 50. All right, so what do we have now? 90 minus 50 on the left side is 40, equals what? The 50s cancel, 0.20 times x. Divide both sides by 0.2. 40 divided by 2 is 20, but then 0.2 is going to make it an extra 0, so it's going to be 200. So the amount of merchandise you would have to purchase, the amount of money you would spend as X would be $200, so that each plan is the same. And the cost for each plan, again, they're both going to be the same. So we could use Plan A. Plan A was what? $90 plus you're paying 70%, and now you know we just figured out from Part A we spend 200. So it's going to be 90 plus 70% of 200. Use your calculator. Is 140. 90 plus 40 is $230. So that will be how much each plan will cost. You could do Plan B and you'll get the exact same value. So again, $230. Again, Plan B, if we do it on our calculator, was what? $50 plus 90% of what you spent, which we figured out was $200. So 50 plus 0.9 times 200 gives us, again, $230. Same for Plan A. Okay, we're going to stop this session at this problem. If you have any questions, send me an email at tswers@hodges.edu or call me at 239-938-7805. Thank you.